Hi, good afternoon, class. My name is Christopher King, if you don't know so by now. And jumping straight into the topics for discussion, my internship has been set for a behavioral health center, which actually partners with the state of New Jersey to provide mental health services for those who can't necessarily afford the services on their own. So basically, regardless of their ability to pay. And they also partner with individuals who have Medicaid or other insurances to make sure they also get those services. And specifically, I'll be working in sort of outpatient therapy in a group setting, facilitating group discussions, as well as doing a little bit of intake and, of course, just reviewing the ins and outs of things like data assessment and planning notes, so DAP notes, etc. And what has me most excited about this is actually going to be my first chance at applying all the theoretical knowledge that we've been learning to date. And I've been so excited to do that because I have no experience in the industry. And I've mentioned this in discussion posts before. And that's what's had me most concerned as well. So it's an excitement aspect. And then there's a concerning piece to that as well. Is that I don't have a background in this industry. And so I was able to find a behavioral health center that would be willing to take me on as an intern. And luckily, they were willing to look at my background in customer service and see that there is some potential there to be able to work with people, employing empathy, respecting the dignity and self worth of the persons that are receiving treatment there. And I got my internship. So I'm just excited to apply all of the knowledge that we've been learning for the first time in my life. And I've been hungry for this for a long time. And I'm actually, the benefit of doing this late on a Friday is that I've actually completed my first week and it went better than I could have ever expected. And facilitating groups is an activity that I never thought that I would be able to take part in or ever want to take part in. I considered myself more a one-on-one type of guy in terms of therapy and mental health counseling, but facilitating groups is something that I believe I actually have some latent skills in, and those have come out during this week, and I've enjoyed all of my time at the mental health center so far. And so the concerns that I had going in regarding my lack of experience have, for the most part, been alleviated, but I know there's more to come. There's more to learn, and I'm not done learning. Every day that I'm going to be on the site or at site is going to be a learning experience for me, and I continue to maintain my excitement about everything that I will be learning practically. So with that, that is the end of my discussion, and I'm excited to share everything with you guys and see, the commonalities and the issues and the application of the techniques and how we describe those to each other. Everything that's going to take place over this semester, and I suppose next semester as well. So good luck, everybody, as I say always, with this course and the rest of your courses, and I hope you have a great weekend.